Today we're going to talk about the next dollar up strategy, and that's a strategy you can use when you're making purchases or buying things online. So what the strategy is basically when there's an amount and there's change attached to it, you just add up to the next dollar amount so that it's easier to calculate your money. So for example, this pack of Clorox wipes costs $5.15. So anything to the right of the decimal point is the change. So for the next dollar up strategy, to avoid having to count out 15 cents, we're going to change it to the next dollar up. So how to do that is you can cover the change. So anything after the decimal point, we're going to cover it. And this is $5. So we're going to say $5. But because there is still change, we're going to think of the number that comes after 5. So what comes after 5? 6. So that means that we need $6 to buy these Clorox wipes. Because 6 is one more than 5, and because there's some change, we're going to add one more dollar to make it $6. Next we have this Chobani yogurt. Now it says it's $1.99. Now remember, we need to have enough money to purchase this Chobani yogurt. But how we're going to do that, because it's kind of hard to count out 99 cents, we're just going to cover the change. So everything that comes after the decimal point, cover that. And this is $1, so I have $1 here. But just because we covered the change does not mean that we can ignore it. We still have some extra that we need to cover for the yogurt. So what comes after 1? 2. So now we have $2. $2 is more than $1.99, and it's the next dollar up. So now we have enough money to buy this yogurt. Now we have this oatmeal, and it says it costs $4.15. So that means it costs more than $4. So that's $4.15, so some extra change. To avoid having to count out all the coins, we're just gonna think of the next dollar up. So what comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the next dollar up after $4. So if we were to pay with $4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's not enough money because we still have 15 cents that we need to cover. But instead of counting out 15 cents, we can do the next dollar up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 is the next dollar up because 5 is one more than 4. So now it covers. So you can do 5 singles, or you can use a $5 bill instead.